Hola, BCAS.
Yeah,
Nothing. You got fan mail, homie.
word,
Bro. And it's from somebody with a real scary name.
why her name scary?
It's D Block 187. That's kind of scary.
Nah, they
The
fucking shit. I'm talking about.
question was, and you're going to have to speak up, bruh. The question was, BCAS, do you try and market yourself? Do you try to market yourself to get paid for shows?
I mean, I don't necessarily try to market myself. It's just getting plug-ins for different showcases. I mean, depending on what the showcase is, you gotta look at if they paying or not. More than likely, it would be lucrative if you did get into a showcase where you are getting paid. That way, you get the exposure. It's gonna be worth your time, and you getting money at the end of the day, which is what the name of the game is to most people. So, it ain't making dollars, it ain't making sense. You did?
With a shovel.